Alright, hello everyone. This is the third part on my wife's 2003 Volkswagen Beetle. Again, last year this leaked R134 Freon, and what I've done is that I pretty much replaced the AC dryer, and now I'm going to be replacing the expansion valve. And in the previous video, I mentioned that I would have to remove all of these, which are coolant tubes. I found out that I don't have to do that. I can actually access it from the bottom, but it's still extremely tight. I was able, see, there's the expansion valve right there. So I apologize. Right there. Apologize for this. It's very tight. I actually wanted to do a video on it while I was doing it, but it's, I just need both of my hands. But anyway, this right here is the expansion valve. I'm pointing my screwdriver on it right there. And then I was able to remove the hex bolt. Let's see, I have my camera focus on it. Sorry, there you go. I was able to remove the hex bolt from here, which is this one right here. And again, I was able to do that from the bottom. So now I can actually take this out like so. All right. And now I have access to these two bolts, which is this one right here and the one right there at the bottom. These two bolts right here, again, they're hex. I don't know what size they are. And with this hex bolt, I think, let me get the screwdriver here. I'm sorry, the wrench. The size I use, again, I don't have the metrics. I use the standard instead, but it worked pretty good. This is a 3/16. Okay, so let me pause this for a moment. I'm going to try and remove those two bolts and see if I can remove this expansion valve.